say goodbye to swelling for good. You'll be alone if you wake up with stiff knees, aching joints, or legs that feel heavier. Millions of older adults experience this exact discomfort daily, and most don't know why. The truth is, after age 60, your body produces less than half the collagen needed to keep your joints cushioned, your skin elastic, and your movements pain-free. You may not feel it overnight, but slowly, step by step, your joints begin to tighten, your flexibility fades, and ordinary movements like climbing stairs become a chore. But what 99% of seniors do know, certain everyday foods you can find at your local store, can help your body naturally rebuild collagen and reduce inflammation without expensive pills or injections. Recent studies show proper collagen-supportive meals can do more than slow joint aging. Within 8 weeks, they may reduce leg swelling by as much as 47%, improve mobility, and soothe the burning ache that builds in overworked knees and hips. In today's video, we'll count down the top 8 most effective collagen-rich foods for your legs and joints, ranked from helpful to essential. These are exotic superfoods or fads. They are time-tested, nutrient-packed options that can gently repair joint tissue, ease swelling, and support you from the inside out. And the number 1 food on our list? It contains 61% more natural collagen than any other common ingredient on Earth. And yet, most older Americans have never even tried it. Stay with us, because if you're serious about keeping your legs strong, steady, and pain-free after 60, this may be the most helpful 10 minutes you'll spend today. Food number 8, chicken skin, the overlooked source of natural collagen. You've probably heard someone say, "Don't eat the chicken skin, it's all fat." But what if I told you that this crispy, flavorful layer is one of nature's most overlooked sources of collagen? Chicken skin is rich in type 1 and type 3 collagen. These types help rebuild joint cartilage and maintain elasticity in your skin and blood vessels. It also contains glycine and proline, amino acids that work together to keep your joints strong and flexible. But here's the twist. While collagen powders cost $30 or more per bottle, a few pieces of roasted chicken skin could deliver just as much natural collagen at a fraction of the price. Still concerned about the fat? Fair enough, but here's the truth. Chicken skin can be part of a joint-supportive diet when eaten in moderation, especially if baked rather than deep-fried. You get the benefit of collagen with none of the artificial additives in processed supplements. Most seniors have no idea this simple food could help them move better, bend more easily, and feel less sore. But don't go anywhere yet, because food number 7 is something even vegetarians can enjoy, and it's loaded with natural collagen-building power. Food number 7, eggs, the hidden collagen secret in your fridge. You might eat them for breakfast, but did you know that eggs, especially the membrane inside the shell, contain natural compounds that support collagen regeneration? Now, we're not talking about the yolk or the white. The secret lies in that thin, transparent layer between the shell and the egg white, the part most people throw away without a second thought. That fragile membrane is rich in type 1 collagen, elastin, glucosamine, and chondroitin, all of which help rebuild joint tissue, reduce stiffness, and improve mobility. These are the same compounds found in expensive joint supplements. In one 2012 study, older adults with knee pain who took a daily dose of eggshell membrane experienced significant relief within 10 days. And yet, most people crack the egg, toss the shell, and never think twice. The good news is that even if you don't extract the membrane directly, eating eggs whole, especially boiled, still provides key amino acids like lysine and proline, fueling your body's collagen production. Eggs are easy to digest, affordable, and available almost everywhere, making them the perfect addition to a senior-friendly, joint-supporting diet. But if you think eggs are powerful, wait until you hear about food number 6. It's green, strange-looking, and quietly holds the key to collagen activation at the cellular level. Food number 6, Chayote, the collagen-friendly vegetable hiding in plain sight. Casual. You've probably walked past it in the produce aisle without a second glance. It's light green, pear-shaped. Some call it chayote, others call it mirliton squash. But very few realize it's one of the most collagen-supportive vegetables available, especially for seniors. So what makes this humble veggie so special? Chayote is incredibly rich in vitamin C, one of the key nutrients your body needs to produce collagen. Without enough vitamin C, collagen fibers can't form correctly. They become weak, disorganized, and unable to support your joints or skin. But that's not all. Chayote also contains zinc, potassium, and plant polyphenols, all of which play a role in reducing inflammation, improving connective tissue repair, and protecting against cartilage breakdown. It's like giving your body the blueprint and the tools to start rebuilding. And here's something you might not expect. Unlike other squashes, chayote is low in sugar, extremely hydrating, and easy to digest. It doesn't spike blood sugar and won't upset a sensitive stomach, making it ideal for older adults managing multiple conditions. Many cultures have used it for generations to promote joint flexibility and skin resilience, especially in hot mountain climates, where daily wear and tear on the legs is unavoidable. Want to try it? Steam it, blend it, or add it to your morning juice, as we showed earlier in this video. But don't stop here, because food number 5 may be the most underrated fruit for collagen absorption and inflammation control. And almost no one over 60 is eating enough of it. Food number 5, kiwi, the tiny fruit that outshines oranges for collagen support. If you had to guess, what fruit would you say is best for vitamin C? Most people would point to oranges, and while oranges are great, here's something few seniors know. One small kiwi contains more vitamin C than an entire orange. And when it comes to collagen production, vitamin C isn't just helpful, it's essential. Collagen can't form without it. Without enough, the stitches come loose. The result? Weak joints, sagging skin, and slow tissue repair. But kiwi goes even further. It's also rich in vitamin K and antioxidants, which help reduce joint inflammation and protect collagen from breaking down under daily stress. Plus, it's gentle on digestion, hydrating, and naturally low in sugar, perfect for seniors managing blood pressure, glucose, or cholesterol. Want an extra tip? Pairing kiwi with foods high in collagen, like eggs or gelatin, can boost how well your body uses those nutrients. It's like simultaneously handing your body the raw material and the activation switch. So yes, oranges are helpful, but if collagen support is your goal, kiwi quietly wins. And next, food number 4 is something you may already enjoy, but you've probably never thought of it as a potent anti-inflammatory collagen protective ally. Food number 4, walnuts, the brain food that quietly saves your joints. You've probably heard it before, walnuts are brain food. And that's true, they're great for memory and focus. But what most people don't realize is that walnuts may be just as powerful for your joints as they are for your mind. Here's why. As we age, chronic inflammation is one of the biggest threats to collagen, not the kind that causes a fever, but the slow, silent type that builds up in your knees, hips, and lower back. Over time, this inflammation eats away at the collagen in your cartilage, making every step feel stiffer than the last. That's where walnuts come in. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which has been shown to reduce joint inflammation, protect collagen fibers, and even slow the breakdown of cartilage. And unlike fish oil, walnuts come with fiber, magnesium, copper, and polyphenols, nutrients that further support joint health, blood flow, and tissue repair. In one long-term study, older adults who regularly consume nuts like walnuts had better joint function, lower levels of C-reactive protein, a marker of inflammation, and higher collagen density in connective tissue. The best part? You only need a small handful per day, just 5 or 6 whole walnuts, to start getting the benefits. No pills, no powders, just one mindful snack that could keep your legs moving freely. But stay with me, because food number 3 can directly rebuild collagen from the inside out, and most people throw it away. Food number 3, eggshell membrane, the precious layer most people throw away. Casual. You crack an egg, you use the yolk for breakfast, maybe the white for protein. But then you toss the shell without a second thought. But inside that shell, stuck to the inner wall, is something scarce. A thin, nearly invisible layer called the eggshell membrane may be one of the richest natural sources of collagen-supportive nutrients on Earth. This delicate film contains type 1 collagen, the exact type found in your joints and skin. Elastin supports flexibility and tissue resilience. Glucosamine and chondroitin, known for reducing joint pain and improving mobility. Hyaluronic acid helps cushion and lubricate joints. In one 2012 study, older adults with knee pain took a small daily dose of natural eggshell membrane. The result? Within 10 days, many reported less stiffness, easier walking, and better knee comfort. So what's the catch? Most people never extract it. They throw it away every day. But this potent collagen cocktail has been hiding in plain sight. Inside every egg, you don't have to scrape membranes off raw shells to benefit. Some people boil their eggs, then gently peel and blend the membrane into smoothies. Others buy natural supplements derived from eggshell membrane, now widely available in health food stores. However you get it, this nutrient-dense film might be one of the easiest, safest ways to support collagen where you need it most. And if you thought that was surprising, wait until you discover food number 2. It's not from animals. It's not a fruit. It's from the ocean and changing how we think about joint health. Number 2, seaweed, the ocean's gift to your joints. In the Western world, seaweed is often treated like a garnish, wrapped around sushi or floating in soup. But in parts of Japan, Korea, and coastal China, seaweed has been a staple of longevity diets for centuries. And now, modern science is catching up. Seaweed is rich in sulfated polysaccharides, especially one called fucoidan. This compound doesn't just reduce inflammation. It has been shown in lab studies to protect collagen from breaking down under stress and stimulate collagen production in joint tissue. Think about that. A plant from the ocean may help your body rebuild the very collagen it's losing with age. But that's not all. Seaweed also provides iodine, essential for thyroid health and metabolism, magnesium and calcium, which help support bone density, antioxidants that fight oxidative stress in joints and muscles. One study even showed that older adults who consume seaweed regularly had lower rates of arthritis, better balance, and stronger legs, even into their 80s and 90s. Best of all, there are dozens of ways to enjoy it. Add dried seaweed to soups, crumble it over salads, or try nori snacks as a low-calorie treat. Most seniors in the U.S. have never made seaweed part of their weekly meals. But in places where leg health, balance, and mobility stay strong late into life, seaweed is quietly doing its work, meal by meal. And now, it's time. The final food, number 1, is one you likely already eat, but you've never realized it may contain more natural collagen than any other food. Food number 1, gelatin, the forgotten building block your joints are begging for. Of all the foods we've explored today, none comes closer to pure collagen than this one. It's not exotic, it's not expensive. It might already be in your pantry right now. We're talking about gelatin, plain, unflavored gelatin, the kind used in old-school desserts, bone broth, or even homemade gummies. What most people don't realize is this. Gelatin is made from animal connective tissue, gently broken down into a form your body can absorb directly. That means it contains type 1 and type 2 collagen. Glycine and proline are amino acids your joints crave, and it comes in a form already pre-digested for easy absorption, especially in older adults whose digestion may slow. In other words, it's not just food, it's fuel, ready-to-use materials that your body can immediately send to rebuild cartilage, skin, ligaments, and bones. In several small studies, seniors who consumed gelatin daily, whether in warm drinks or smoothies, reported less knee pain, better joint flexibility, improved skin hydration, and in some cases, a noticeable difference in just 21 days. You don't need much. Just one small serving a day, especially in the morning on an empty stomach, can set your body up to heal. Not from the outside in, but from the inside out. So yes, gelatin may be humble, but it holds something priceless, the power to rebuild what time has taken away. And the best part, you don't need a prescription, you don't need to wait. All you need is a spoon, a glass of water, and a decision to begin. Summary, CTA, checklist. Now you've seen the 8 collagen-rich foods that could make a real difference in how your legs and joints feel, day by day, step by step. Remember, there's no magic fix, but with the proper nutrients taken consistently and safely, your body can start rebuilding from within, even after 60. So here's what you can do starting today. Pick 2 or 3 of these foods to add to your weekly routine. Start small, listen to your body, and be patient. And most importantly, keep moving, even a little every day. To make things easier, we've prepared a free printable checklist to help you remember what to eat, when to take it, and how much is right for you. You can download it for free at offers.seniorfitguide.com/legs-checklist. It's simple, senior-friendly, and designed to guide you one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, please tap the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next episode in our senior health series. And before you go, leave us a comment. Which of these 8 foods are you most excited to try first? Thank you for watching. And from all of us at Forever Healthy, take care of your legs and they'll take care of you.